you guys to my YouTube channel. This is going to be the second episode on my channel. I'm going to be doing some work on the STI, doing some drilling on all the weld spots where the two pieces of metal are getting held together, and try to prepare that to go take it to the frame machine and do some pulling. I have already put the new trunk on. Put the new trunk, it's right there. Put the new trunk on, took the old one off. Did that off camera. Not too much to do, so I figured just do it real quick. And then I also got the little spots ready to get drilled out, because there's like Bondo, some type of forget what it's called, but it's on top of the weld marks and it's kind of hiding it, so it's harder to get to. And it's a sealant kind of, so it keeps, you know, moisture and all that shit just sealed up. Anyways, so let me show you guys what we're gonna do today. And let me flip the camera over and let's get started. I'll be drilling out all of these little marks right here. It's kind of hard to see them on the camera, but they're like little circles that go around like that. And that's where the welds are. We're gonna have to drill all that out. That goes all the way around. And that's about it. That's what's on our agenda today. Now really quickly, I'm just gonna vacuum the inside of this car where I put all that stuff. It's kind of made a mess. Clean it up a little bit so it's easier to work, and then we're gonna get started. Okay, so we finished up on the drilling process. Everything's all done. We finished up what we wanted to do today, so that's perfect. Next step is going to be taking this car over to the frame machine, doing some pulling, some more drilling on the same spots, making the holes bigger to get the spot welds out of there. And then we're finally going to pull it, remove the parts, and then put the new parts on. There's that part. And then some more parts over there. But yeah, we have everything we need. Should be fun. That wasn't very fun though. I got a little blister on my finger now. Somewhere right here. It's whatever. Just being. Anyways. So thank you guys again for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and let me know what I could do or add to these videos to make them a little bit more enjoyable and better to watch. Thank you guys so much, and stay tuned for part 3 with the frame machine. That should be fun, exciting, and I'm excited for it. So let's get it done. Peace out.